Unlock the secrets to dominating your real estate search and truly becoming a Zillow expert. Becoming a Zillow guru means you're not just browsing, you're mastering every feature to find your perfect property and understand the market deeply. First, go beyond basic filters. Explore advanced options like for sale by owner, new construction, or foreclosures to uncover hidden gems. Experiment with specific keywords in the search bar, like waterfront or ADU, to refine your results even further. Don't forget the granular details. Filter by exact lot size, HOA fees, or even school ratings. Once you've perfected a unique search, save it so Zillow can notify you instantly when new properties matching your specific criteria hit the market. Next, leverage Zillow's rich data. Dive into a property's home history tab to see every price change, tax assessment, and even past sales. This gives you critical insight into a home's market journey and potential seller motivations. Explore neighborhood insights extensively. Click on the map to understand market trends, commute times, and even local demographics for any area. And remember, Zestimates are valuable estimates, but always cross-reference with comparable sales. Finally, master the communication tools. Connect directly with listing agents, schedule tour with the tap, and explore mortgage pre-approval options all within the app. Utilize the save and notes features to keep track of your favorite properties and personal thoughts. By applying these steps, you'll transform from a casual browser into a Zillow guru, navigating the real estate landscape with unparalleled confidence.